Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're probably going to work on the back passenger side door pillar. I want to try to get that all sanded down and get ready for prime. Tonight may be kind of short because it's already pushing on 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired, so we'll see how much we can get done tonight and then we'll continue on tomorrow. I think tonight my main objective is going to be sanding this all down all the way to where we already rust fixed that that area, which it looks pretty good. You can see there's quite a lot of pitting still, but I think it'll work. It's good enough for me. But anyways, we'll continue on sanding all these little indentions and bumps. Try to get this to metal, and then we might, if we get done quick enough, we might go ahead and try to prime it. But if not, it might try to do that tomorrow. Anyways, let's get to it. I'm gonna try this angle and see if it's better to kind of get the whole pillar. But we'll see how it works. this is what it looks like so far. I think it looks pretty good. Up top, there's no rust. Even the flange where the weather stripping goes looks good. Gotta find a way to get in here easier to sand, because I can't get my little 2-inch tool in there. But I think that's pretty good for this evening. Of course, I gotta get all that down. But just started throwing water out again. You can kind of see it's just all nasty. So I figure it's time to give it a break. I need to get a inline water capture thing, so I'm not having to waste time letting it dry out and draining the tank and everything else. Anyways, well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Just kind of tired, and we didn't do much, but at least we got some of that sounded down. I just need to make a point coming out here no matter what, just doing a little bit. But I think this next week I'm gonna try to finish sanding that and priming it, and then I'm gonna move to the seat pan where the seats bolt down that hole. Try to get that all sanded down and stop the rust on it, and maybe try to fix that hole and move my way back down the bed. So I know there's probably some spots in there that needs to be patched, and I just want to sand that down really good and get a coat of primer on it at least. But that's my plan. I think I really need to clean this shop up. We got parts and dirt and this other junk that's lying around. So I may do that tomorrow. Set my camera up there and just time lapse me cleaning. I don't know if it makes for good content or not, but maybe somebody will enjoy seeing something get picked up. I really need to get this side over here clean. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out, helps me out, lets me know that people are actually watching this. And just thank you to all my subscribers. It really means a lot to me that you take time out of your day to watch my videos, even if it's just a little bit of a video, but it really means a lot. And thank you, and good night.